Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile using a keyboard and mouse. The only officially supported and recommended method involves using a dedicated emulator. This ensures fair play and an optimized experience. We'll focus on the official emulator, which offers pre-configured controls for a seamless transition from touch to desktop input. This approach helps maintain game balance and provides a stable environment for all players, preventing unfair advantages. To begin, you'll need to download the Game Loop emulator, which is the official platform for playing PUBG Mobile on a computer. Visit their official website to get the latest version. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation process, which is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. After installation, launch the Game Loop application. You'll find a user-friendly interface designed to help you easily locate and install your favorite mobile games, including PUBG Mobile. With Game Loop running, head over to the Game Center section within the emulator. Here, you can easily search for PUBG Mobile. Once you find it, simply click the Install button. The download and installation process will begin, typically taking several minutes depending on your internet speed. After the game is fully installed, a play button will appear. Click this button to launch PUBG Mobile and prepare for your first match using keyboard and mouse controls. One of the best features of using Game Loop is that it automatically provides optimized keyboard and mouse mappings for PUBG Mobile. However, you can personalize these controls to better suit your playstyle. Access the emulator's settings menu to view and modify keybinds for actions like shooting, moving, and looting. Additionally, fine-tune your mouse sensitivity for both general movement and aiming down sights. Experiment with these settings to find your perfect configuration for maximum performance and comfort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.